Hi, my name is Bianca, and I'm from the Eastern Shore. I had found Mr. John by just looking and doing my research. I was not recommended to him by anyone. And as soon as I gave him a chance, I looked at his reviews, and I was impressed. So I called him. From there, I felt like I was in good hands. I didn't worry about anything. He informed me every step of the way. The woman had hit me from the side. She ran to the stop sign. She wasn't trying to cooperate with her insurance company, and they tried to have a bizarre denial. And Mr. John applied pressure where it was needed. He didn't let them just go out like that. So he got me where I deserved. He got me more than what I expected. Everything was fast, quick, and I didn't have to worry about anything. Mr. John and his wonderful assistant, Miss Barbara, she's very knowledgeable, just top tier service. That's all I can say. He will be my lawyer, and my family lawyer. We locked in because he treated me like family, and he stood on business, and I appreciate him. Thank you to Mr. John and his staff. Y'all been a great help to me, and I will be back if anything happens like this again. Thank you. Check Mr. John. He got you.